So we gonna do these. We gonna put these on. Y'all don't try this at home because don't mess up the new paint, you know. But I'm very gentle with it, and I'm taking my time as I hit it, so I don't damage the paint. Once again, it's my car, so. That shouldn't be my excuse, because my car should be treated just like a customer's car should be treated. Alright, so me and my homie was talking about we should put state of mind stickers on here. That sounds like a good idea, to be honest with you. State of mind stickers. What we should be doing. We just might do that, honestly. We just might do that. So we are going to put the brakes on the opposite side. Of course, these are the brackets that I bought. Quick performance. We're doing an LS swap in this one. We're doing an LS swap in that one. LS swap in this one. And LS swap way over there on that blue one. Matter of fact. That's the front one. That's the front ones. That's the back one. Ooh, that look good. Chops a little bit of a mess. Let's see if I can get something to hold this up. Let me get some light for you. Okay, I got some light. Brakes on. Okay. So there you have it. The rudder is on. We're gonna put the brakes on. Now, Everything's tightened up. So everything's tightened up, y'all. So these are the UMI bracket on Quick Performance. So you have to cut this, cut it back some more, cut it first, then cut it back. Then you have to bend this back to a 90 degrees because GM on the G-body was 120 degrees. That's why it doesn't work with Quick Performance. So you have to bend it to 90 degrees, re-weld this, then drill another hole for this side so the bolt can go through. And that's it. And the UMI brackets, UMI lower control brackets will work with this. 2A1 suspension all the way around. So that's how it looks, y'all. There we have it. There go the front ones, the back ones. Let's just start working on the front ones. Let me take y'all around to the front ones. Look at the front ones. Look at the front ones. So we have to do some work on the front ones because the front ones is not ready yet. So I'm gonna have to remove it. I'm gonna have to, honestly, I'm gonna have to remove it. These are the bolts and the brackets for the front ones. Of course, I think we all know how these go. It goes like this. It goes just like this. So I have to remove these, basically. Let's start by removing these. And I believe it should be, let's say a 14 or a 15. I left my guns out. I left my small impact gun at home. So we're gonna have to be using these for sure for this. Because I left my impact guns at home. So let's see what we're gonna do. I want to show you as much as possible. I don't want to hide it. I'd like to show y'all. I think I'm going to put the brakes. I'm gonna put the brakes one. I'm not gonna put the I'm not gonna put the rotors on because I don't know if you can see, but they're loose. See, It came, these, I don't know how they came out. I just looked at them yesterday and it was out. It was falling out by themselves yesterday. So I said, fuck it. And I bought ARPs. So we got those ARP hands for those. But I did not bring. Oh yeah, once again we're upgrading from the two. We're upgrading from the 2 pistons. I'm gonna give this to my cousin. Also with these brackets. To my cousin, he can have it. I'm not worried about it. He can have those. I'm going with new ones. Anyway. As you can see. You see that? Oh. So. I think I gotta buy new ones. For sure, I think so. I think I gotta buy new ones. Not worried about that as of right now. These are for the calipers. Then the long ones are for the spindle. Shit, if I gotta change the spindle, I gotta take all this off again. Well, it is what it is. So, this goes like... Oh. I gotta like my cutting. Well, sorry, this ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work today. I don't believe it is. Because I have some more cutting to do. So I have to cut. Let's see if I can fucking grind it. Yeah, I gotta do it. I think it worked a lot better, for sure. Let's try this. Let's do some more. That's a lot better. Okay. Let's keep running. I just get the wheel and cut it. I don't want to cut it because I don't want to cut too much off. So rather just keep grinding it. Let's just keep grinding it. See there. Got a little bit more. A tad bit more. Yeah. I think that's butter. I think that's butter. My phone's about to die. But I think that's better for sure. Oh, I can go a little bit more just in case. My phone's gonna die, but I'm gonna finish it up. And, basically same thing on both sides, you know. But you have to cut this I cut it with a saw. Before I got to this point, I cut it straight with a saw. Remember there's a screw right here behind it, so don't cut too much to where you can't put the screw in. So, of course, I could have went and cut it again with the saw, but that's perfect right there. I think we're there. We should be good. He says to shade it for him. That's what he said. So basically, I'm just gonna do this, y'all, on both sides and call it a night. And I gotta buy new bearings for sure, new hub bearings. I'll show y'all a video on YouTube.